Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we will install a virtual machine manager on my KDE desktop. So go to the application menu and hit discover the application store for KDE desktop. Now there are multiple virtual managers available for users. Say Gnome Boxes is there, Oracle Virtual Box is there, and Virt Manager or Virtual Machine Manager. So we will install Virtual Machine Manager on our KDE desktop. So type Word Manager in the search box, enter. It is displayed at the top. You can check out the text description. Virtual Machine Manager provides graphical tool for administrating virtual machines for KVM, Zen and LXC. Start, stop, add or remove virtual machines. Connect to a graphical or serial console and see the resource usage statistics for existing VMs or local machines. Use libvirt as a backend management. So what is this? It is a graphical tool to administer the virtual machines. You can have multiple virtual machines running on your system depending on the capability of the system. There are different types of virtualization technologies like KVM, Zen and LXC. So you can use any of them and administer machines through this virtual machine manager. You can start, stop or remove, add or remove virtual devices. You can connect it through a serial console or graphical console and see the resource usage statistics. So the statistics will be displayed in the virtual machine manager. Okay, you can administer the virtual machines on a local host or a remote host. It uses virtual library as the backend management API. So now we will click the install button. It will get installed. It will pull whatever dependencies required automatically. You have to do nothing, just click and wait for it to download and install. It is taking some time for installation because there are 12 dependencies over and above the main virtual machine manager package. So it will take some time. It will deflate, then compile and install. So it is installed. We can launch the virtual machine manager right from here. Just click on the launch button. So here it is. Okay, so the KEMU system is still not initiated. Maybe we will have to restart the machine. I will so in the next video I will show you the virtual machine manager, and we will install a Debian virtual machine on the using this virtual machine manager. So bye for now. We will close it right now, or maybe we can go and I will show you around the GUI. So this is the file. In it there is add connection, so you can add a new connection to the local or a remote virtual machine. You can install a new virtual machine, close and quit. Edit has preferences. So if you go into preferences, enable system tag icon, enable XML editing, polling, so it will poll the machine whether and know the status of the virtual machine. New VM is there. So graphics type, storage format, CPU default, everything we will know when we go in depth. So this is just basic video right now. Console, the different graphical console scalings, request guest window, grab keys, spice USB, what is spice and everything we will know later in another video. Console auto connect, then you can give the feedback. Force, power off, reboot, save, pause, device removal, applied changes, deleting storage. So these are the different confirmations, feedback confirmations. Now I close and we will stop our video here. Thank you very much. Do like our channel, do comment on our channel, give us good feedback. We will definitely try to imbibe your feedback in our next future videos. Thank you very much. See you. Good day.